What's the meaning of abstainer? Abstainer. 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 An abstainer is a person who chooses not to consume alcoholic beverages. Abstainers may do so for a variety of reasons, including religious beliefs, health concerns, or personal preference. There are many different types of abstainers, including teetotalers, who never drink alcohol, and social drinkers, who only drink alcohol on special occasions. Abstainers can be found in all walks of life and in all parts of the world. Here are some of the reasons why people choose to abstain from alcohol. Religious beliefs. Some religions, such as Islam and Hinduism, prohibit the consumption of alcohol. Health concerns. Alcohol can be harmful to your health, and some people choose to abstain from it for this reason. Personal preference. Some people simply don't like the taste of alcohol or don't enjoy the effects that it has on them. No matter what the reason, abstaining from alcohol is a personal choice. There is no right or wrong answer, and what works for one person may not work for another.